welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Both Concepts. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to download fonts and how to add them to your PixelLab for you to use. You know how to use fonts your PixelLab, because when I started, that was one of the major problems I faced, and I'm sure that a lot of people have that problem right now. So just make sure you sit back, make sure to subscribe if this is your first time on the channel, make sure to like, and make sure to also share this channel to your friends. Alright, so if you don't know what fonts are basically styles or types. Let's say there are different types or styles of text. You know, these are fonts. This is the average PixelLab, the normal one, and these are fonts. You can see over here how it changes, right? So these are just what they call fonts. So these are the ones that I've downloaded already. Now I'm going to teach you how to download them and how to add them. If you want the PixelLab that is like the PixelLab ID, you can check the description link. I'll give you a link for you to get it there. Alright, so watch this video to the end to know how to get it. Now let's move right into the video. So first of all, you go to your Google. Alright, then you click on dafont.com. You can see that it has come up already. So this is what you're going to click on, and this is where it will take you to. There are different sites you can get free fonts from, and there are also paid fonts, but you can also use free fonts. There are different sites you can get them from, but we're going to be using Dafont. This is the interface of Dafont. But let me show you the interface of the other fonts. We also have we also have 101 font. If you click on it, it will take you to the interface. This is also a site to get free fonts, right? So this is also another site, my fonts. The font is also there, and font space. So this site you can get free fonts for free, but we're going to be using the fonts for this tutorial. Just wait a little bit. Okay, that's loaded. You can see the fonts. Sometimes they recommend fonts for you to use. This box right over here above is where you can get the fonts you want. For example, let's say I want a cartoon type of font. See, it has changed. This is a cartoon type of font. You can see how it is. So you can also change it. If you look over here, you can see they have fancy, they have foreign look, they have techno, bitmap, gothic, basic, scripts, dingbats, holiday, and so on. So let's check the Christmas one. Yeah, you can see what I'm talking about right here. You can see different Christmas fonts. If you also scroll up to the end, you can see the numbers below for you to see other types of Christmas fonts. Let's go to the first one now. So I'm just going to show you. If you click on each of the fonts, if you click on them, it will take you to the font page where you can see about the author of the font and how the font will look like with other text. So these are the fonts will look like with other texts. This is the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, T, O, Z, both in uppercase and lowercase. This thing here means that for numbers, it does not work with numbers. And these are the how it will look like with icons, the question mark, the $, sign, the hashtags, and so on. So this is just it. So if you want to download, you can just come here. You see this download button over here. You click on download. You wait for a few seconds. And now if you just scroll down, you'll see that it has been downloaded in the notification bar. Depending on your device, you can see the download button up that it has been downloaded. So these are some that I've downloaded before, so you can just clear that. Next, you are going to go to your file manager app. You head over to your file manager app, then you go to download. If that's the first thing you downloaded, or those are the first things you downloaded rather, you are going to see them over here. So these are the ones I recently downloaded. You can see them. So if you can see them 4 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, and just now. So if you want to do this, first of all, you need to click on the file here, then extract it. You need to extract the file. It does not take long, few seconds. You can, so these are the files and everything here. So you can choose to keep the zip file, or you can choose to delete it. If you delete it, it's not going to affect what you are going to be doing. So I'm going to delete it. So I'm going to do that with the rest of them. Extract, finish. So just copy that same process for all of them. So extract this one also. Finish. And this last one, extract it. Just open it. Then you can delete it. See, some of them come with images. You can choose to delete them later on. Yes. So just finish. And then you head up over to your PixelLab. Head over to your PixelLab. So let's say I want to click on subscribe. I text subscribe. So I want to change the text, alright. I want to change the font. So I'm going to get over to font, then go to my font. So the fonts we downloaded recently, we've now added them. So for you to use them, you need to add them to your PixelLab. So we're going to click on this button over here. Let me show you this button over here. We're going to click on it. Then we'll click on this place. You can see series of options here. We'll click on download. Depending on the location where your downloaded stuff go to, then you see the files you just downloaded. So these are where they are: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are where they are. So we're just going to click on them. Then we'll select. They will automatically be added to the PixelLab. Then we'll click on them again. You can go back, click on the next one. So the same process goes for all of them. That's how you're going to do till you've gotten the number of files you want to get. For this one, we have an image, but we're not going to be using the image, just using the file. You can see where they wrote it. So you select on it, and it will automatically be added to your PixelLab. So that's how to use it. Then you can click on whatever you want. Then the font can change. Alright, so thank you for watching this far. If you've watched this far, make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video if it has been really helpful to you. And if you also want to access free fonts, I'll drop a link in the description where you can access a free font in my Google Drive. You just need to download the font. It will go to your file manager automatically. Then it's the same steps you are going to apply. Instead of you going over to the site to download it, you can just go to the drive, download it, and access it there. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and make sure you share. See you in the next episode.